Let's look at how you can find records with missing data. If you want to find records that are missing data in a particular field in Vernon CMS, you can use Advanced Search. Click Advanced on the toolbar and then select the field to search on. In this example, we'll search on the brief description field. Select the field and click Next. In the Search For field, don't enter anything, just leave it blank and click Next. And I've found 3 records that are missing data in the brief description field. Now let's find any object records that are missing images. We'll search on the Photo Audio Visual field. So I'll select Photo Audio Visual and click Next. I won't enter anything in Search For, and I've got 37 records that are missing images. We can save this list of records so that we can update them once we have the photographs ready by going to File, Save as List, and giving it a name, in Portfolio, and saving it. We can even save the search query so that we don't have to construct it in future, and we could run this search regularly. So we'll go back into Advanced Search. We'll search on the Photo Audio Visual field for nothing. And then under Search Results, I can click the Save button to save this search query in Portfolio. And that means at a later date, I can come back and run that search query again. Perhaps in the meantime, I've uploaded images to object records and I want to do a new search on the latest data. I can go File, Open, Search, and then choose the search from Portfolio and immediately run it and see my results.